I'll be working on some mole-to-mole problems, and hopefully this little screencast will help. So first thing we have to know with mole-to-mole problems are the 5 steps. The first step for any mole-to-mole problem is to balance. Second, we want to identify what's our given and what's our unknown. Third is since this is a mole-to-mole problem, we can put the question directly, or what we're given, directly into the mole ratio. Remember, mole ratio is given over unknown, and you set that equal, since it's a ratio, to the coefficient, which is the number in front from the balance of your given over the coefficient of your unknown. Once you've done that, you substitute in your given and unknown actual values, and then you solve for moles. So there's our 5 steps. So let's go on and let's take a look at how to do a problem. So let's suppose that 5.00 moles of H2O decomposes into O2 and H2. My question is, how many moles of O2 will be produced? It's a pretty standard question. We're going to see this H2O composition a lot. It's very common. So H2O is going to decompose into H2 and O2. So when we do the balance, we take a look and we say, okay, we have 2 hydrogens, good. 2 oxygens, 1 oxygen. So we need to put a 2 in front of that. And that will give us 4 hydrogens, so now we have to put a 2 here. So our balance is done, and that's step 1. Step 2 is we need to write the given and unknown. In this case, the given is 5.00 moles of H2O. The unknown is X moles of O2. So once we have that, we can figure out, okay, now I can write down my mole ratio. So I'm going to write my given, H2O, my unknown, O2. And now we write the numbers from the coefficients. So this 2 right here is going to come down and be there, and this 1 in front here is going to come down there. Okay, so it's this number here and this number here. Even though it's invisible, that's where you put it. Next step is you substitute in your given and unknown. So now we have 5.00 moles over X is 2 over 1. And we're just simply going to do a cross multiplication step. And so what we get is 2x equals 5.00, divide by 2, divide by 2, x equals 0.25, oops, mistake. Let's get my eraser here. Oops. X equals 2.50 moles of O2. I hope that helps. And next lesson we'll go on to mole to quantity.